Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what is the topic for today's video? The topic for today's video is Les Salutations Françaises, which means the French greeting. In French, the greetings are of very high importance, and if you don't greet someone and just start your conversation as it is considered very rude over there. And the people may not even reply to you. So it is very important in French to start your conversation with a greeting word. And here in this video, we are going to discuss a few of the greeting words which you need to speak when you meet someone. Okay. So the first greeting word is Bonjour. You can read the pronunciation and repeat with me. Bonjour. Again, Bonjour. Very good. Now, what is the meaning of Bonjour? Bonjour meaning is hello, good day, good morning, hi. Okay, and it is used throughout the day, but generally we use it in the morning and until 12 p.m. in the noon. Okay, and now listen very carefully. Every greeting word in French has a formality. It can be formal, neutral, or informal. Bonjour is a greeting word with a formality, formal, and neutral. That means it can be used in the offices, it can be used with people who are older to you in age, and it can be used generally with anyone, anywhere. Okay, it is the most common greeting word in French. If you don't know anything, you just know bonjour, you can start your conversation saying bonjour. Okay, next, the next greeting word is bon après-midi. Repeat, bon après-midi. Again, bon après-midi. Very good. Now, what is the meaning of bon après-midi? The meaning of bon après-midi is good afternoon. And it is used after 12 p.m. till the evening. And the formality of bon après-midi is formal and neutral. So, you should use bon après-midi when you meet someone during the afternoon. Okay? Next, bonsoir. Repeat, bonsoir. Again, bonsoir. Very good. Now, what is the meaning of bonsoir? The meaning of bonsoir is good evening. And it is used after 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay. When it is 5 or 6, you see, and you meet someone at that time, you just have to say bonsoir. Very good. And what is the formality of bonsoir? The formality of bonsoir is again formal and neutral. Okay. Next, the next greeting word is salue. Repeat, salue. Again, salue. Very good. Now, what is the meaning of salue? The salue meaning here is hi, hello, hey, okay? And it is an informal greeting word. Therefore, you should use it with someone you already know and someone who is smaller to you in age. You cannot use it in any kind of formal conversation, like you cannot use it with person you don't know. In any kind of offices, you don't use salue. Okay, you should only use salue with people you already know and who are smaller to you in age. Okay, next, cuckoo. Again, cuckoo. Now repeat with me again, cuckoo. Very good. Cuckoo is hey, hi, hello. Okay, and it is again an informal greeting word, and it is used with people who are very close to you. You should use cuckoo with your, if you have a girlfriend or you have a boyfriend, you can use it cuckoo. What kind of greeting word you will be using? Cuckoo. Very good. So these were the few greeting words which we have discussed in this today's video. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. And also I have made the video on the same topic in Hindi, and if anybody of you wants to watch the same video in Hindi, I have provided the link in the description box. You can go and watch. Okay, thank you for watching. Au revoir.